Good morning, friends. Today is Monday, April 4th. I'm sorry I can't be here today. I have an appointment, but I will be back this afternoon for small group. So, for your morning, there is a video on our morning meeting slide that you can watch for morning meeting. There's a video on the number corner page of your slides to watch and complete the work for number corner. After Number Corner, you will head to Miss Johnson's WebEx for math, like you do every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and then you'll head to Miss Gustafson's room for reading. So Miss Johnson and Miss Gustafson are still here today. I am just gone because I have a meeting or an appointment. Alrighty, friends, well, you will have a fabulous day. For morning meeting, we are going to start with a book. We have been reading Wild Robot, and so in Epic, there is a Wild Robot Connections. Now, when we are looking at the Wild Robot Connections, I'm going to click on this book right here called Geese. Today, we are going to fill out a main idea and detail about the book. So whenever we fill out a main idea detail, I'm going to put a line across and put M-I and then a line down. And I'm going to put a D in each. Okay, so this is where I'm going to write the main idea and the details. Now remember, in all three sections, you will need a complete sentence. Alrighty, friends, we are going to get started with our book. Again, while I'm reading, you are thinking about what is the main idea and the details. All right, if you want to follow along in your epic, feel free to do that. This is a nonfiction book, so there is a table of contents. Geese on the farm, parts of a goose, what geese eat, a gaggle of geese, glossary to learn more, and index. Geese are birds. Some live in the wild. Some live on farms. One of these birds by itself is called a goose. Geese feathers can be white, gray, brown, or black. Geese have webbed feet. This helps geese paddle in water. Here I see a label. It says webbed feet, and I can look at the feet and see the webbed feet. Geese waddle when they walk on land. Geese have a hard bill. They use their bill to pick up food. Geese eat plants. They help farmers by eating weeds around the farm. Geese honk. They also hiss to chase other animals away. Geese live in a group called a gaggle. They stay together. Geese follow each other around the farm. So again, here's that glossary if I wanted to look up one of those words that I didn't know. They also gave us some more books if we wanted to learn more, and then some internet websites that we could go to if we wanted to learn more about geese. All right, friends, so now what we're going to do is we're going to fill out our main idea and detail. So when I'm looking at the main idea, now remember I need a sentence. So this book was all about geese. So my topic is geese, okay? Now I can't write this book is about geese for my main idea because that's really just putting my topic in a sentence. This book, when I think back about it, when I think about how they live on farms, the different parts of their body that help them, what they eat, that they are in groups, all of those are adaptations or a way, something about them that helps them survive. So I'm going to say my topic is geese. My main idea is geese have adaptations to help them survive. So now, friends, what you're going to do is you're going to get 2 details from the story. Now remember, I'm not just going to write a word, I'm going to make sure it's a sentence. So a capital letter at the beginning, spaces between my words, and punctuation at the end. Now both of these details will be something about the geese that help them survive. Maybe it's the webbed feet, maybe it's what they eat, maybe it's the fact that they live in a group of geese called a gaggle. Okay, all of those are great details. So what you're going to do is write 1 detail in this box, 1 detail in this box. I want you to take a picture of this and put this on the morning meeting page so I know you completed your morning meeting work. Alrighty, friends, I hope you have a fabulous day. Again, remember, I will be back this afternoon for small group. So what that means is, again, we're watching this video for morning meeting. We're watching a video for Number Corner. Then you'll go to your live meeting with Miss Johnson for math. And then you'll go to a live meeting with Miss Gustafson for reading. Then lunch and recess and work time in the afternoon with your live small group. All right, friends, have a wonderful day. I'll see you this afternoon.